Welcome to a video on Introduction to Phlebotomy. This video is brought to you by Wadhwani Foundation. Dr. Arvind Lal is the Chairman and Managing Director of Dr. Lal Path Labs. Dr. Arvind Lal is recognized as a pioneer in bringing laboratory services in India at par with the Western world. Under his expert guidance and leadership, Dr. Lal Path Labs has become one of the most reputed laboratories in Asia, having to its credit the highest number of accreditations from the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. He brought international recognition to the Indian healthcare industry in the form of accreditation from the College of American Pathologists, CAP USA. The lab currently tests more than 30,000 patients per day through its more than 150 labs spread all over India.
Laboratory medicine plays a very important part in the dispensing of healthcare in this country because it is responsible for over 70% decisions in admission, in treatment, in operations, etc. So it is imperative that the laboratory test results should be of a very high order. Laboratory medicine is a very important part of modern healthcare because it is responsible for 70% decisions in the healthcare world, be it admission of the patient or operation of the patient or discharge of the patient. Therefore, it is imperative that the laboratory test results have to be of a very, very high quality. The phlebotomist or the person taking the blood of the patient is the most important part in our lives in the laboratory medicine. He is the first person who comes in contact with the patient. Therefore, his touch and knowledge of the subject has to be tremendous. He has to know about the 3,800 tests and panels which we perform here. He has to know about the condition of the patient, whether the patient is fasting or he has to come after a 12-hour overnight fast or 2 hours after his meal. Therefore, it is imperative that the phlebotomist training should be of a very great order. The phlebotomist or the person taking the blood is therefore the most important part in laboratory medicine. He is the first person the patient comes in contact with. Therefore, he has to be gentle, he has to be knowledgeable about all the tests which we perform, in our case about 3,800 different tests and panels. He must know in what condition the blood has to be taken, whether the patient should be fasting for over 12 hours for a lipid profile or he has to come 2 hours after a meal, etc. Therefore, the laboratory phlebotomist training should be of a very high order. In addition, the phlebotomist has to behave like a nurse, that his hand should be so gentle that the patient should be willing and happy to give his blood. Also, many times the patient does not even feel that the blood has been taken if the phlebotomist is well trained. These days, a lot of automation and high-ended instrumentation has come into the laboratory field. Therefore, it is almost perfect as far as the analysis of the test results are concerned. We don't make mistakes here. The laboratory these days has become a place where high-ended instrumentation has been kept. Therefore, we normally do not make any mistakes here. And 70% of the errors which have been reported in our line have taken place at the pre-analytical stage. That is, from the moment the blood has been taken by the phlebotomist till it reaches the instrument. Therefore, again, this part of the pre-analysis has to be of a very high order. Major advances in laboratory technology have cut down the test errors or testing errors as we call them significantly. And a large number of errors which are found, or 70% of them, are happening at the pre-analytical stage in which the phlebotomist is involved. Therefore, his importance becomes even greater. The patient and the phlebotomist interface therefore is very important. It is imperative that the correct blood in the correct manner for the correct test should be done, because the phlebotomist has to give information also about the report availability, or what we call the turnaround time. He has to really be at the bottom and know all the testing which takes place in the laboratory. The Wadhwani Foundation and Dr. Lal Path Labs therefore are trying their level best to produce a very highly trained phlebotomist. The patient and the phlebotomist interface therefore is of paramount importance. The patient's test results are dependent upon the skill and knowledge of this phlebotomist, and Dr. Lal Path Labs and Wadhwani Foundation will try their level best to impart the highest level of training to this phlebotomist. So therefore we have to ensure that the phlebotomist knows the correct way of taking the blood or the blood sampling, the packing of the blood samples, the transportation of the blood samples, and also to ensure the safety of the patient and himself. The training certification will also ensure that this phlebotomist learns how to collect the blood properly, that is ensuring the safety of the patient and himself, that is the needle prick injuries which we get. Also the packing of the blood samples and the transportation of the blood samples will be ensured. Dr. Lal Path Labs is the oldest pathology laboratory services provider in India. We have an experience of 67 years, having been founded in 1949. I have been looking after this laboratory since the last 38 years, and we have been able now to go into each and every geographical region in India. We are running 172 labs, nearly 1600 collection centers, and in addition we pick up samples from another 7,000 pickup points like big hospitals, nursing homes, doctors' offices, other laboratories, etc. Last year we tested 1.2 crore patients, and every day we'll test about 50,000 patients.
Dr. Om Manchanda is the Chief Executive Officer of Dr. Lal Path Labs, India's largest medical diagnostics company. He has a diverse experience of over 24 years across sales, marketing, and general management functions in business sectors such as FMCG, agri-biotech products, consumer healthcare, and medical diagnostics.
Hello everyone, this is a very interesting topic and subject which I am asked to speak on, which is phlebotomy and phlebotomist. Phlebotomy is a very important and very significant part of healthcare service chain, and it really serves very important purpose of drawing blood sample and then testing it. And according to me, this will continue to remain a very important significant part of any healthcare service provider or employer. I don't look at only as a functional aspect of phlebotomy. It's also very important how you deal with the patient, because patient is in the state of suffering and a lot of anxiety, and I think phlebotomist can alleviate that sort of a suffering which patient is going through. So it will continue to remain very important part of especially diagnostic chain. I look at a phlebotomist not only acting as a person who draws blood sample, but also acts as a brand ambassador. It's a very important touch point where you are not able to draw blood sample but also able to talk to a person face to face. You are also establishing the image of the brand, and according to me it will continue to remain a very important and significant part of our business. So I am glad that all of you have chosen this particular as your career, and I am sure it will do good to you. Thank you.
Ms. Meena is a phlebotomist in Dr. Lal Path Labs. She has 2 years experience as phlebotomist at the diagnostic center.
I'm Meena. I did my 10th class. After that, I was worried what to do. Then I have got an idea by seeing the newspaper ad to join a vocational paramedical course, that is phlebotomy course. I have joined to the phlebotomy course and have got well experienced by drawing of samples and taking care of the patient and handling of the patient. So I have joined to the organization for learning the phlebotomy work. It's a wonderful lab from which I have taken the experience of drawing of samples and taking care of patients, and how to take care of the patient when patient gets irritated or when patient gets scared to give the samples. I have learned a phlebotomy techniques of drawing of a sample without hurting to the patient. First of all, when the patient comes to the phlebotomy room, we have to take care. Relaxation of patient is very important. We have to correlate with the patient and we have to draw the samples. First, comfortable zone area for the patient. This offers me a great sense of achievement and job satisfaction. As a phlebotomist, I have to draw this sample in a proper sample drawing manner, and I have to send this sample to the processing area at specified temperature.